Sudanese women are on the front lines of a conflict they did not choose. A year and a half into the war between the paramilitary rapid support forces and the regular army, a UN Security Council meeting heard of some of the most extreme violence yet against civilians.
We are receiving reports of horrific violations of international human rights and humanitarian law, including sexual violence committed predominantly against women and girls.
The disturbing reports come from Jazeera State, where RSF fighters went on a rampage last month. They killed dozens of people and targeted women and girls. Witnesses said some women took extreme action to avoid rape.
The shocking accounts of locals confirm that the brutality of rape has sadly forced over 130 women in an unprecedented move to commit mass suicide as an escape from further sexual violence.
Sudan's ambassador to the UN told the briefing the protection of civilians was a priority. But UN officials said both warring parties bore responsibility for violence against the population, saying the Sudanese armed forces are carrying out indiscriminate airstrikes in populated areas and affiliated forces are attacking civilians.
We are deeply concerned by the alarming trajectory of this conflict. While it has already unleashed horrendous suffering, the conditions are there for it to claim exponentially more lives.
UN officials said both sides were being propped up by support and weapons from outside. They're urging the RSF and the Sudanese government to come to the negotiating table to end the war, which has killed more than 24,000 people and created the world's worst displacement crisis. 14 million people, almost a third of the country's population, have been forced from their homes.